What's good in the hood, y'all? It's your homie back again with another video.
My style untouchable when I'm in my zone, I'm gone.
What up, Blade fam? In today's video is gonna be a mini tutorial, something I found very useful when editing on an iPad on the program called LumaFusion. Further ado, let's hop into this tutorial. Alright, so when editing on any software, it's crucial for your workflow to be quick and efficient, easy as possible. I noticed when I'm done editing videos on the LumaFusion, I had a tough time starting a new project. I couldn't remove my previous project from the media pool, and on top of all that, I didn't know how to select all and delete everything on the timeline, and in order to delete them off the timeline, I will have to select each one individually and then click delete or trash, whatever you guys want to call it. It could be very tedious and it could be very annoying to do. So with that being said, this is how you delete everything in one go. All right, guys. So first thing you guys want to do is pull up your video. I have mine right there in the media pool. All you got to do is just drag and drop, bam, right there. Click all the way back right here. That's the video that I'm working on. I'm gonna show you guys a little demo real quick. Let's say you're editing and you're doing a whole bunch of cuts, right? Or splits, whatever you guys want to call it. So in order to delete everything, right? Basically right in your face, this little icon right here, the little box with the little check in it. Yeah, you just click that, bam. This thing will pop up on your preview video. All you gotta do is just drag it. Wham! There you go. It highlights everything. And then you just hit delete. Boom! All gone. Easy as 1, 2, 3, boy. And then afterwards, you can just click your video right here in the media pool. Delete that. And there you go. It's all fresh. And now you're ready to start a new project. Easy, right? Dang, it took me so long. And I'm sorry that it took me so long just to get to this point. But you guys can fast forward if you guys want. I'm just here to talk to you guys. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, guys, that is just a little mini tutorial I wanted to share with you guys because I thought it would have been very helpful. It helped me out. I found out by myself. I tried to YouTube it and a lot of people had different videos and it was like a little bit more complicated how to like delete everything. And I don't know. I found this way very easy, very quick, efficient, like I said. And yeah, guys, happy editing. If this video helped you guys out in any way, please smash that like button.
Smash.
Subscribe to your homie for more content like this or anything else I do on this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing, clicking my videos, commenting, and all that good stuff. All right, guys. With that being said, y'all be safe, keep it breezy, and now see y'all in the future. Deuces. Oh yeah, by the way, real quick, this is an Apple Pen which costs like 120 bucks. Don't spend that much, guys. You guys can get one of this generic ones on Amazon for like 20 bucks, maybe 16 on sale. It does exactly the same thing and you could charge it via Type-C instead of draining your iPad battery. Be on the lookout for those. All right, guys. The Apple Pen just has a better build quality, but it works the same. All right, guys, remember, brush your teeth, clean your room, be good to your parents. Happy editing.
My style untouchable.